Hello everybody, welcome back once again. It's Albert here. Tonight I decided to try to do another padlock in hand. This one here, I know several other people got these already. They're the Mako 427, model 427. They're a damn good lock right out of the package. They're 6-pin. They were, I forget what they were going for, but they were selling them on eBay for really cheap, so of course I got one. Actually, I think I got two of them, gave one away. But anyhoodles, I figured I had some luck actually picking that master lock in my hand last night, or night before, or last night anyways. So I figured, let me try this one in hand. My buddy Bear's back. He says he prefers picking them in hand because he says he gets better feedback, but I gotta tell you, it's really awkward for me. I don't much like it a whole lot. But I guess if you want to learn, there's only one way to do it. But these are good good locks. I mean, they're not super high security, but they're not master locks either. Gosh, even with this, I'm using a really thin what is it, 15,000s from the Praxis set, and it still feels like I'm picking the warding in here. I'm just making excuses. This is pretty awkward though. I think I'm going to try this. I think it's the offset hybrid. I think from Sparrow's, the Tuxedo Royale set. Might get in there a little better. Yeah, I don't know about this. No, that's not working out too good. That Praxis is a little stiffer. not even getting that false set I had earlier. Oh, I think I already roasted it. Okay, now I got, oh, okay, it's open. Thought I was going to say false set, but there we go. That's an open. Alright. I'll take that. Lock it back up since I got a key. Move my fancy flag. Make sure we're on camera good. Centered good. Some light over there. Focused. Okay, this one is Phillips. Felipe. At least they made it simple. That master lock I did had some odd size Allen screw in the bottom of it. Really threw me for a loop. Alright. Little clip on the back here. Like that. Alright. The key. Probably use a shim in there just in case. Maybe. Maybe not. Alright, there should be this little follower here. Tiny little guy. Alright. See, at least they went ahead and occupied all 6 chambers. Got to give credit where credit's due. 1, 2, 3, 4. I go backwards. 6 and 5. Boy, those are small, huh? Golly. So much smaller than the ones I'm used to messing with. Okay. Upstairs. Get that shim out of there. Okay. Some light. Tweezers. Alright. Focus. Oh, I should mark this. Let me mark this real quick. Alright, back at it. Yeah, I know there's, wow, it didn't spring up very hard, I can promise you that. Wow, neither did that one. Well, they do have security pins, but okay, I'm not. Golly, that third one's not even popping up. The third one barely broke the shear line. Same with 4. Five. And turn it around and get 6. Yeah, these things barely pop up from the shear line. Anyways, they're not bad. It's a damn good stock lock. Let me get a close up on those pins. Again, that's the Mako Model 427. I know a lot of you are already familiar with it, but figured let's have a little fun, right? Alright, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and you got time, hit that like button. Alright, thank you.